Where's Yuki?
Huh?
Where's Yuki?
Oh, she's at the dojo.
Isabella wants to sing happy birthday.
Oh,
We,
you have a number?
we put it on her number, but she wants to sing it to you too.
Okay.
Okay, ready?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Yuki. Happy birthday to you.
Yay!
That's nice.
That's nice.
That's nice too. It's my brother. It's my brother. Am I not tickle you? Let me tickle you and go with them. Let me tickle you and go with them.
Oh, yeah?
Let me tickle you.
Okay.
What you doing?
How that works.
Oh.